Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 6th of September 2020 question. Question number 4. If the constant term in the expansion of root x minus k by x square whole 10 is 405, then mod k is equal to what? 4 options are given. This is the problem in the house of binomial expansion. And it's a memory based question. At first, given expansion is here root x minus k by x square whole 10. This is the given expansion. So we should calculate the general term. It is tr plus 1, and applying the formula of general term, so we get 10 cr into first term, so it is root x whole to the power 10 minus r into second one k by x square minus whole to the power r. So that is equal to 10 cr into minus k whole to the power r into x to the power 5 minus r by 2 minus 2r. So this is the general term. If the constant term and the expansion, if it is constant, the term is constant, so x to the power this one becomes 0, as x to the power 0 is equal to 1. So for constant term, this one 5 minus 2r 2 by r minus 2r is equal to 0. 5 minus r by 2 minus 2r is equal to 0. That implies it is 5r by 2 is equal to 5. So here we get r is equal to 2. Therefore we easily say tr plus 1, that is t3 is our general term. So t3 is equal to where x is constant term, so t3 is the constant term. t3 is equal to 10 cr into minus k whole square, and this one is obviously 1. So this is equal to quotient gives 405. So that implies 10 cr into k square is equal to 405. That implies 10 cr, r means r is here 2, so we get factorial 10 divide factorial 2 into factorial 8 into k square is equal to 405. That implies 10 into 9 divide 2 into k square, that is equal to 405. So here we get k square into 45 is equal to 405. That implies k square is equal to 9. So here we get k is equal to, that implies mod of k is equal to 3 here. So we reached, the question asks the value of mod k, so mod k is equal to 3 here. So option 3 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 4. Now some discussion about binomial expansion. So at first, what is binomial theorem? Let's discuss this. Binomial theorem. Before we discuss binomial theorem, we should want to know what is binomial expansion. So binomial expansion is, we know, x plus y whole n is equal to c naught plus c1x plus c2x square plus dot 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 plus cn x to the power n. When CR tends to NCR, so some questions, some formulas we should always keep in memory, that is NCR is equal to factorial n divide factorial r into n minus r factorial. Number 2 is NCX is equal to, we obviously NCY. If it is the equation, equation is formed here, which is NCX is equal to NCY, then we may say that implies x is equal to y and x plus y is equal to n. Is it clear? If NCX is equal to NCY, a equation is given here, then the formula we always use, that is x is equal to y and x plus y is equal to n. Number 3 is NCR plus NCR plus NCR minus 1, NCR minus 1 is equal to, we may say, n plus 1 CR. Number 4, NCR is equal to n by r x to the power n minus 1 C x minus 1. Now, if this series, we can explain this, expand this series. So here we get n by r into x to the power, n minus 1 divide x minus 1 c to the power x minus 2. And we can continue this series once again, n by r x minus 2 divide x, n minus 2 divide x minus 2 c to c x minus 3, as then it is continued. Number 5 is NCR divide NCR minus 1, that is equal to, we may say, n minus r plus 1 divide r. And the most important theory we should remember, and the related to the question is general term, that is general term of any binomial expansion. So we say general term is equal to TR plus 1, that is equal to, we may say, NCR into x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. As this formula we are applying in this expansion. So these formulas we should remember always. Now rth term, if rth term is by ending, so rth term ending, from ending we may write down, that is n minus r plus 2 tooth term from beginning. From beginning. If any rth term of the ending of any binomial expansion, that is equal to, we may say, r minus 2 plus n minus r plus 2th n term of the beginning. So here is some important discussions and important formulas about JEE Main related questions, and some the question of binomial theorem, JEE Main shift to 6th of September, which is already solved. So here is the whole solution and some discussion. Any question, any query about this discussion, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.